it's time to change the filter on my air purifier, and I just want to show you guys how to do it. You gonna help? So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it off. And we're gonna unplug it. Then the filter is on the bottom, so we're going to turn it upside down. And then you're going to turn this. There's a little note on there that says open or close. And turn it towards open. And then the filter just lifts out. Mine's pretty gross. It's kind of embarrassing. It's probably been too long since I've changed it. We're just going to set that aside. This is the filter that came with it. It says, to maintain performance of your air purifier, use only official Levoit filters. So that's what I did. I ordered the official Levoit filter. I know there's cheaper ones out there, but I just want to make sure that my machines work in the way it should. So I ordered the name brand. I've got my new filter here. I took it out of the plastic wrap that it came in. It just sets inside the machine. Now when you put the lid back on, you just line up the little grooves and then turn it to shut it. You hear a little click. I'm going to flip the purifier back over. Plug it back in. I'm going to turn it on. And then this is the button to reset the filter. Just hold it down for 3 seconds. And I don't know if you can see there's a red light. If that was on before, it means you needed to change your filter. But to reset it, just hold it down for 3 seconds. And then that'll go off. As you can see, it's super easy to change the filter on one of these Levoit air purifiers. And if you're looking for an air purifier, I definitely recommend this one. I've had it a few months and it's been great. Thanks for watching.